I love the sport itself, like everything you do, and the water. The sunset in the morning is so pretty. It was pink one day and it was like lit up the whole sky.
At JTC we have a mentality of a 1% improvement every day. So we encourage our kids to improve from where they've come from, and that is the focus. Rather than being results driven, we look to improve ourselves with each row that we go out.
We're all here for one reason, and that's to do rowing. We all have a passion for rowing. It's completely voluntary as well. All the girls that come down here come down in their own will, and they do rowing because they want to do it and they enjoy rowing,
The thing I really like about rowing is that it's like a team sport. It's really inclusive. You come down to training in the mornings and like everyone gets to have a go, and we all get to put in a lot of effort and like work together as a team and like represent JDC. It's really lovely.
I found that doing it really made me feel part of a team, and it made me feel really accomplished to be part of something bigger than just myself, or doing a sport where it's more on your own. You have to work together. There's no way around it because you're all in the same boat.
Well, you really learn to listen and learn to what all the other girls in your boat are doing, because you've all got to obviously work together and be in time. So you really got to learn each other's strategies.
I love seeing my friends every morning and hanging out and just learning all the skills and being here with everyone.
Rowing helps me get stronger in teamwork because you have to follow the stroke. You have to learn how to listen to other people's instructions.
If you're thinking about it, do it. 100% do it, because it's so fun and it's so worth it.
Just kind of come down and give it your all. It's a great sport, it's a great community, and everyone ends up loving it.